exercise is simulated on a HURON K2X8 FIVE. Can you tell which machine axes are in the tool carrier and which are on the table? The axes are color-coded in the 3D simulation of the SYMplus CNC software. X red, Y green and Z yellow. A lateral groove milled with a T-slot cutter. In the SYMplus simulation, the graphic can be switched to semi-transparent in order to better follow the milling path. Roughing and finishing. A popular task in the machinist exam, examinees must extend the depth on which the milling cutter moves. Finally, the workpiece is tilted again. The surface is finished and drilled on a pitch circle. In the semi-transparent display, you can also see the green arrow of the Y-axis.